I have here a Blackstone Griddle Accessory Kit. I'm gonna open it up so we can take everything out, see all of the accessories that this comes with. You can see right off the bat, it comes in a nice carrying case to help keep things organized and all together. So it's got tons of stuff in here. It's gonna take me a minute to take everything out and I can show you all of the accessories. Okay, so I got all of the accessories taken out. We can see everything that's included. We got some condiment bottles here, some tongs. It's got 2 of the long style spatulas here, a cleaner brush, some hooks, 2 egg rings for doing eggs or anything else that you wanted to cook in a nice circle, a flat blade here, then it's got a scraper right here, and then 2 other smaller and different shaped spatulas. So I have a little electric griddle here. These will work on this kind of a griddle, or they'll work even on the full size like barbecue grills that are the griddle style. So there's different scenarios you can use these with. I'm just gonna cook a couple of hamburger patties with a couple of eggs, just right here on this little griddle using this accessory kit. So the fun thing is this spatula right here is the hamburger flipper. So this is the one I'm going to be using for my hamburgers. So this one is going to be your wide chopper. So this is going to be useful for chopping things. This beveled spatula can also be used to chop things like this and get under things and flip them. So these just 2 of the ways that you can use some of these accessories. I'm going to give these their first flip and see how they are cooking. And you can see they're cooking really good, and this hamburger flipper works really well. It's nice and wide, so it's not going to fall off. It's easy to get underneath and flips them really nice. I'm going to go ahead and start a couple of eggs inside these egg rings here. Makes it really fun because it doesn't run all over the place. Contains the egg and makes a nice circle. I'm going to end up putting these on top of the hamburgers. So I'm going to want them in this nice circle so it'll fit on top of the burger nice and clean. So the eggs look pretty good. If I jiggle it, you can see it comes right out of the ring. Holds its shape really nice. Let's see if this one will pop out for me. This one's a little bit tighter because I did start this one a little later, but we will still get it. And then we can flip these eggs over. I'm going to use this little beveled spatula so I can get underneath these eggs to flip them over here. And they're just about ready, and my hamburgers are just about done as well. So I'm just about ready to start eating. So everything's ready to start taking off the grill now. So I'm going to take off the hamburgers here. And then I can take off the eggs as well. Set them right on top of these burgers. Now I can just go grab some buns, and these will be perfect little hamburgers. So this Blackstone Griddle Accessory Kit is super easy to use. You can use these with a Blackstone barbecuer, or you can use it with an electric griddle like I did, or any other kind of cast iron, anything like that. There's a lot of different ways you can use them. There's lots of different accessories that it comes with. I got them nice and dirty, but they're going to be super easy to clean. They're going to wash off really simple. Makes things really fun and easy to cook with. So I'd recommend this to anybody that likes to cook with either a griddle or a Blackstone grill or anything like that. These are going to be a great addition to your cookware.